Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up Antsig Wi-Fi Range Extender. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for all over your home, then this Antsig Wi-Fi Extender setup is one of the best solution. The Antsig Wi-Fi Range Extender is a device that helps boost your existing Wi-Fi signal and extends coverage to areas with weak or no connection. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, take your Antsig Wi-Fi Range Extender and plug it into a wall socket near your main Wi-Fi router. Wait until the power LED on the extender turns on solid. This means it's ready for setup. On your Wi-Fi router, find the WPS button. It may be labeled as WPS or shown with a symbol of two arrows in a circle. If you're unsure, check your router's manual. Most modern routers support WPS. Press the WPS button on your router once. The WPS indicator light on the router will start blinking. This means the router is searching for a device, like your Antsig Extender, to connect with. Within 2 minutes of pressing WPS on the router, press the WPS button on the Antsig Wi-Fi Extender. The WPS/signal LED on the extender will begin blinking. This indicates the extender is trying to connect with your router. After a short while, the WPS/signal LED on the extender will turn solid green, sometimes blue, depending on model. This means the connection is successful. If the light doesn't turn solid, repeat the process. Once setup is complete, unplug the extender and move it to a location midway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. Plug it into a wall socket there, and wait for the LEDs to stabilize. Your devices, phone, laptop, smart TV, etc., can now connect to the extended Wi-Fi. The extended network name will either be the same as your router's Wi-Fi name if your extender uses autoclone, or your router's Wi-Fi name with _ext added at the end, e.g., home Wi-Fi _ext. That's it. Your Antsig Wi-Fi Range Extender is now set up using WPS. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.